Disabled and prepping. Come on, you can have it. Come on. Carebear's having some orzo and pasta with cheese and chicken. Okay, you can have it. Come on. She's already had some. She's eating what I couldn't finish, so. And she should be full by now from the amount she's eaten, but as you can see, she is still eating quite a bit. Little doggy eating ASMR. She had to go to the vet the other day, and so she hadn't been eating very well because she was on some pain medication and some antibiotic. I won't tell you where she had it, her sore at, but anyways, she hasn't been eating, so today she ate really well, or she's really hungry, but hey, you're getting it on my blanket. Here. Alrighty, well, Carebear, say goodbye to everybody. Okay, it's done. Hey, Carebear, up here. Say bye-bye to everybody. Alright, well, have a good day. She's still looking around. Alright, have a good day. Stay safe. Until next time, bye for now.